Hey folks, my name is Joe, and this is Easy and Light, the show where we make easy drinks that are light in calories. Today we're making an original drink named after local band Plastyc Peachez' sophomore EP, Just Peachy. We're going to have people come back and show you how to make it, and it's going to be fun. And yes.
Hi, I'm Wyatt. I'm the frontman for Plastyc Peachez, and I'm going to be adding 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Yeah, that looks good. And who's next?
What's up, I'm Brian, I play bass, and I'm going to be adding 1 ounce of peach schnapps.
Clean.
What's up, I'm Ian, I play drums, and I'm adding in 1 ounce of orange juice. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ian again. I still play drums, and I'm adding in a 2nd ounce of orange juice.
That's fire.
What's up? I'm Aiden. I'm the bad boy of the group, and I'm adding in 1 ounce of pineapple juice.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm not in the band, and I'm adding in 1/2 ounce of grenadine. And then all we need to do is shake it, and then we can serve it in our glass. Okay. Jesus Christ. All right, now all we need to do is strain it into the glass and then do the, what's it called? Garnish. Good content. Look at that peach color though, come on. All right, we're going to add 1 sprig of mint as the leaves in the logo. And then 1 Haribo peach, which someone will probably talk about later on in the interview portion. Now that pictures are taken, you're just going to fill it with seltzer water. Give a little stir with your spoon. Okay. And then it's ready to go. All right, I handed out a small portion to all the bandmates. They're going to give us a review, and then we're going to do a little interview. So let's say cheers to PP.
I love PP.
I love PP. All right. Oh, we got some good reactions already.
Yeah.
The Just Peachy drink. Delicious. The alcohol blends very nicely into the drink. It tastes exactly like the candy. Zooey Mama.
Thank you.
I like it.
All right, so first question is going to be, how did you guys think of the name? I don't think many people know the story.
So we came up with the name of the band, or I guess I came up with it. I was working construction with my dad, and he always needs Kanzi in the car because he falls asleep when he drives. Narcoleptic gang. And he was eating Haribo peaches, and I was like, man, this is kind of like, it's like a plastic peach. And he's like, that's a good band name. And I was like, yeah, you're right. And then a few years later, I met this asshole, this bozo. I met this bozo, and then we picked it. That's the whole story.
Thank you. And Brian had an awesome question as well. How did you think of the names for each EP, Peach Bums and Just Peachy?
So, Plastyc Peachez itself is a butt joke for like fake butts. It's kind of a double entendre, if you will. And then, we were like, how do we make it into more of a butt joke? Like beach bums, peach bums, And then, what's the name of our other EP?
Just Peachy.
Yeah, that one.
Also the name of the drink. Yeah.
How about you talk about it?
Yeah. Fine. Just Peachy is a common phrase used as a reaction to the question, hey, how you doing today? I'm just peachy. It's kind of like a sarcastic thing to say, but it's a common phrase that exists, and we used it for an EP title.
Very cool. Thank you. Next question I want to ask is, what is your favorite pun name for any of the songs that you have, if anyone has like a strong one?
I'm a big fan of Nancy Pulowski because every time I look at Mr. Flowers, I just think, damn, I am not going to Nancy Plow to this one.
I like Teletubby because it means really fat, but it's also a Teletubby.
I like Fungi Fieri because, like this drink, it's a one-way ticket to Flavor Town.
I like Sisterhood of a Traveling Dance because for 1.5 years, Ian had no clue what it meant.
All right, so last question for you guys. Just want to know about your inspirations as a band and also how it started, how you got here, that kind of stuff.
Honestly, for inspirations, I really like Ice Spice. Some inspirations for the band. I mean, for me, it was Green Day, Sum 41, and Blink-182. Those are the 3 big ones. It started because me and the original bass player, Alil, I had started writing some stuff with him, and we wanted to start something a little different than what we were doing at the time. And I knew Ian from middle school, and I saw him posting videos playing drums on Instagram. And so I hit him up a few years prior to being the band that I was in, and he said no, because he was in boarding school. So then I hit him up a few years later, and he was like, okay. And we met and we started practicing. And then Alil had to go to Germany for like a year. So we recorded all the stuff that we had for the first EP. And then we found Brian with the help of Alil. And he kind of took his place. And he's done great things on the newest record and the new stuff that we're doing. And then we went on tour with the band. And we really liked the guitarist. We had been kind of contemplating adding another guitarist to the band to fill out our Silent Live. So we asked Aiden to join the band. He was like, shit, I got nothing better to do. So he tagged along.
All right, and Aiden, you're the newest member. I just wanted to know about like why you chose to be in the band, any choices that led up to it, whatever.
Yeah, Haribo was founded in Bonn, Germany in 1920. They added the Peach line of products in 1922. And when I found that out, I was like, hot damn, I gotta join these guys.
Well, this has been Just Peachy. I hope that you all at home make this. It is a fun drink. Tastes like the peach. If you know you like this candy, you're going to like this drink. And as always, salud.